Hi guys, I'm Hannah.
And I'm Zain.
And we're the Giggle Hopperz. So today we're doing the soda challenge. So what you have to do is you have to get like cups.
Yeah.
And my mum and my dad will have to be doing the drinks into the cups.
Yes.
And you have to guess like what flavour or like
Yeah.
what brand it is. Like Fanta or something like that.
I don't know all of the flavours. I only know some.
Yeah, and then at the end we're going to be opening
Some surprises.
So Zane's got
Minecraft Minis.
and I've got Shopkins Series 7. So shall we get blindfolded? Wait, what? Have you started?
What is here?
Yep.
Oh yeah, okay. Oh my god. So we're starting now. I can't even see anything. No, wait. Okay, so shall we go?
Mm-hmm.
Zane's drinking it all. Wait, I think I know what it is. I can hear him.
Lucasade.
Yeah, Lucasade. Orange Lucasade.
Yeah! We both got points.
Yeah, Zane just drank it all.
Correct.
So, yeah. I don't know. I don't remember which one it was. Can you remember? I can't remember.
3, 2, 1.
I don't know.
Green apple.
Tango apple.
Green apple. See the clock. Oh.
Okay, so next one. I can smell it. It's cherry coke.
Cherry Coke.
Ding. Coke.
Cherry Coke.
Yeah.
Yay! We got it right, Anna. Woo, woo, woo.
So the next one. Ooh. Oh, there it is. Whoa, I don't think I've ever tasted it. But if I've never tasted it, is it like, I think it's Lil or Mountain Dew. Mountain Dew, I think. Yeah. Orange what?
Wah, wah, wah.
Oh.
Pineapple. KO.
Oh,
Oh.
that tastes weird.
Oh, well, because you ready.
The next one. There's mine. Oh.
Orange.
Oh yeah, orange Fanta.
Correct.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I said Fanta. Orange Fanta, we both go.
Mama. Whoa, the butt then.
Seven Up.
Yeah, 7 Up.
Yeah! 7 Up. We got it right, Anna. We got it all.
Next one.
Ooh.
Okay.
That smells
Oh,
like
that's
strawberry.
Is it like grapefruit or cherry? Yeah, I think grapefruit. Put fizzy grapefruit.
No.
Cake. Oh. Cake.
Oh, fruit.
I said
punch.
that.
Wah, wah, wah.
I said that.
Cherry.
Dr. Pepper. Yeah, Dr. Pepper.
Is Dr. Pepper cherry?
No. It's Dr. Pepper.
Cherry Coke.
Oh, yeah.
That looks ready.
Thank you.
Like red Dr. Pepper.
Oh, that stinks. Smells like tomato ketchup.
Guess the flavour. 3, 2, 1.
Strawberry.
Strawberry.
Yeah, strawberry.
KO.
Okay. God, that is like that smells like tomato ketchup.
I said that.
It actually does.
I said that.
That's my bed. Where's my girl? Thank you.
Ew. I don't like that one.
Guess the flavour in 3, 2, 1.
Poop. No, I actually think that's strawberry.
Strawberry.
Ugh, tastes
Oh
horrible.
no. Not
Pineapple
strawberry.
and grapefruit.
Oh, it tastes like poop.
Definitely not poop.
Disgusting.
I wanted to spit that out.
Thank you.
Thank you. That smells nice and tastes.
Yeah.
Mango. Like
Mango
peach.
colour?
Mango. Peach.
Mango. Mango.
Okay, look.
Fruit twist.
Fruit twist. Fruit twist. Like mango is a fruit.
Not here.
I don't like that one. That one tastes horrible.
That's green. That's green.
Is it Mountain Dew? I think it's Mountain Dew. Yeah.
Mountain Dew.
Yay!
I've never tasted that yet, but like
I got a point as well.
that tastes horrible. Like
One more.
Bumblebee. Bumble
That
bumble.
looks like poopy. Oh. Dog poop. Oh no.
Like it tastes like Coca-Cola and like poop and stuff like that.
Fruit juice.
So it was.
I think, yeah.
Okay. I knew that was.
Caribbean and cola, but like I say Coca-Cola.
I said
So like
we get half.
Final challenge.
yeah,
You've
it's
got to lick the kitten.
oh my god. Oh my god. Hello.
Guess which one it is.
Oh my god, which one
Lick
is
the
it?
kitten challenge.
Hello, whoever you are.
Saber's really gonna lick it. Oh, Zay!
Fluff ball. Fluff ball.
I think this one.
Oh yay! Fluff ball.
Diablo. Yeah.
I don't think.
Oh my god, it tasted horrible.
Yeah.
The pop challenge was so
So
fun, guys, but some of them was so horrible. So we didn't know how much points we got, so my mum's gonna make a scoreboard on the video. So yeah. And then we're going to open these. The kitten challenge is so weird.
Who licked the kitten?
I licked Diablo.
I licked fluff balls.
So let's get on with the surprises. So make sure you have adult supervision.
I'm gonna.
Hello. Yeah, you did first actually, yeah.
I think I will get the same one. I know.
You need to cut it again, I think.
Going down.
Do you want to go?
I got the same one.
Did you?
No!
Oh, you got Steve! He got Steve, guys! He wanted Steve and he's got a little sword. And, oh, show that. Got like a
Shield.
little shield.
I love Steve.
So now I'm going to do mine.
Ching!
Bum, bum, bum.
I hope I get that. This one's a new one, Daddy. Daddy.
Can I clean that? Did we keep the chocolates from yesterday? I think we did.
God, there's camera.
My dad bought it.
On camera.
It's on my Shopkins.
We got a new one.
Daddy bought. Oh, my next one. Did you know it was recording?
Oh, it's the same one as yesterday.
Oh, it's a little blue.
Oh, that's funny.
Oh, yeah.
We'll see. Comes in another black bag.
Ooh,
I think we get the same again.
oh, we get Alex.
Let me peek through these little holes. No, we didn't get Alex.
I don't know.
We're gonna get the same one. No, B.
Press it again. That should be enough. Don't cut the thing.
Does that look like a new one? Yeah.
I think it's a villager.
Yeah. Yeah. Villager.
Cool. So now it's my go.
Yeah, it's on the go.
Can you hear the rain? Whoa.
Yeah.
It's a rainy day outside.
Isn't it, Hannah?
Yeah, it was rainy and then it was sunny and then it was raining again. So, no.
Keep open. Let's see what's got inside. Oh,
Whoa,
a new
I
one.
think this is like a soda can.
Oh, yeah.
So cool.
Like the soda challenge.
That's so cool. We were just in the fizzy pop challenge and I just got a soda can.
That's so funny. That one looks like pretty eyelashes.
Ooh,
It's a see-through one.
it's a popsicle.
Popsicle. So I'm going to open this one, and Hannah has 3 more. I have 3 more as well. Now I'm going to open this one, and then I've got 2 more. Then I'm going to 2 more. Hannah's going to have 2.
What did you just say?
I think we got an old one.
You don't know yet, do you?
I think I got an old one. Oh yeah, old one.
It's
A creeper.
Yes, Lucifer. Still cool though.
Yeah. They can be twinsies.
My girl. What are you doing? Look crazy little guy. Okay, so I'm opening these. Oh, that's a big one. It's a present.
It's a little tiny present.
so cute.
Hannah hasn't got that one anyway. Isn't it?
Okay, next
Come
one.
on. You have to.
Oh, it's like a little clown shoe or something. So cute, guys.
So I'm gonna open one of these, and then Hannah's go. We both have one more.
You're talking so fast.
I ripped Alex.
I'm weird. By the way.
I think we got an old one. Yeah, it looks like an old one. Oh yeah, it feels like an old one.
Oh wow. Still super cool.
Yeah, it's a duplicate. We got a duplicate. I can't believe we got a duplicate. Oh yeah, it's a duplicate.
Oh, you said you want a Steve as well, and you've got 2 of them now.
Hey,
Kinda lucky
I'm real
though.
Steve. Yeah.
My girl.
Now Hannah has one more.
Yeah.
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 And then we can go play out in the rain. Oh yay! On the trampoline.
That was our dad's idea.
Yeah. We're going on the trampoline. That's gonna be fun. Cause I'm
can
gonna
get
go like
soaked.
what? Mommy,
This is hard.
can we wet our clothes?
Yeah.
Oh, we can.
Mommy, we got the purple one yesterday, now it's the pink one. So then we've got that.
No go. See what she got?
Oh, it's like a witch's hat.
Yeah.
So cool.
That's why it's purple. One more. Hannah has one more after mine. Hannah shouldn't go first. Open it from here.
I think there's sellotape there.
I know.
You could do it.
Sika.
Papasika. What does that mean?
That means you poof.
When did you learn that?
It's from my teacher.
Your t-shirt.
The teacher.
Teacher.
On my t-shirt. Oh yeah, and the old one. Piggy.
Super cool.
Yeah, but super cool because we got 2 new ones and 2 old ones.
Okay.
Hannah's go.
Now my go.
Let's see what Hannah got. Can I open one now? Please.
Yay.
Okay. Thank you. Well, let's see what I got for. Oh, looks like a new one,
You don't
Hannah.
have to cut that. You have to.
Oh, you got a new one, Hannah. Look.
Oh, it's a bunch of balloons.
Oh. Let's show the camera.
Bunch of balloons.
Yeah, there's a blue one and a yellow one and a purple one. Blue's my favorite colour.
Oh,
And green.
it's a duplicate.
Let me see.
Oh, but Zain you can have that.
Yeah, because it's super cool.
So we hope you liked our pop challenge and our unboxing. What are you doing? So, yeah.
So hit the bell.
Hit that subscribe button, leave a like, and press that bell. Hope you liked our video. Have a giggle hopping day. Bye.